All right, what's going on with your baby? It's Raj over here at the domain flip, and I'm gonna show you real quick how you can insert um, affiliate links into your website. This is the fastest way that I've seen to do it. If you know a faster way, man, please let me know. But this is a plugin called Advanced Ads. It's free. I think you can upgrade. You can upgrade. The upgrade has a bunch of different features on here. Now, a caveat with this ad or with this thing is with this plugin, you have to make sure that your theme is compatible. Right, it doesn't work on all themes. Right, so make sure when you're building your websites, right, however you build them, right, if you're using WordPress, look, I only use WordPress, right. So whenever I talk about websites, I talk about WordPress. So make sure that when you build it on Astra and you use Elementor. All right, until something better comes up, man. You know, these are the two best themes. Now, you can get all access to this thing. I don't know how much it costs. I don't. I just use the free version. Here you go. It's about $100. You can, if you spend $250 a year, you can get it on 20 sites. All right. I don't have any affiliate links for this. So anyway, how you can make an ad. So this is this is the website we're working on. And here go the ad right here, little dummy ad. Let's go to the blog, right? And we created these articles earlier, right? And we're just going to let it sit on here for a little bit. We created these. I'm going to start loading this thing up with some content in a second, but I want to take my time with this site, and I don't want to speed ball it. You know what I mean, so these are the articles that was created from. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this guy's foot, man. I just noticed this. Sometimes AI does some fascinating shit. Man. Look at the dog's legs. Man, I want to see if anybody. I noticed that shit right away. AI be doing some crazy shit, man. But you know, this is the this is the dummy ad, and this is the article, right? So that article is going to rank. So let me show you how you can get some links on here real quick. So let's say if you don't have an affiliate program yet, you know, the go to is Amazon, right? Find something with a bunch of high ratings, right? Looks like this store is popping right here. It's probably the same store. Where'd it go? Whoa. You can just click this link. Now for Amazon, Amazon gives you links. Now there are different plugins where you can do roundups and stuff like that. Different websites you can do roundups, but we're talking about the easiest ones. I think Amazon got rid of the text to image. I think it did. I think Amazon got rid of the text to image link. Let me see if it works on this. Let's see. Okay, I guess it was just that. I thought, cause I seen something. I'm about to say, hold up, man. So you can grab this frame right here. Now, when you come over here, right? Where is it at? So you're gonna come over here to add a new ad. I'm about to say Amazon couldn't have did that, right? And you could just say Amazon ortho bed, right? Name, keep it a name that you will know. Plain text code, right? You're gonna drop the code right in there. Hit next. Now you can hide on some pages. Go to conditions, and you can do page type, right? And you can say is not the home page, right? Because I mean, unless you want a bunch of ads on your home page, some people do, some people don't. It's a preference. Oops. HOME. Do I not have a home page? Specific pages is not. Oh, the home page is named something else. I forgot. Um, what did I name this home page? I think I just named it Senior Dog. Senior Dogs. Yeah, I changed. There's something. I'm doing something completely different with this website. Um, where's the home page at? I think it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. I think I remember. Yeah, because I switched this thing up. Man. I did something ridiculous with this. Anyway, right, you can come here and make sure you know where your pages are at. And I'm gonna just put this on the top, and just those buttons were to see where you're gonna put it at, right? And then congratulations, your ad is now visible. Um, it should have a thing to show your ad. It usually has. Take a look, right? But for some reason, it's not there. A lot of course, a lot of stuff isn't. I feel like every time I do videos, stuff doesn't work like how I want it to work when I'm doing the video. But anyway, we got an Amazon ad right here, right? And it's a direct link to your Amazon. This thing right here is called Site Strip. You can set it up in the back of your Amazon store. Um, and then, this is it, right? So it shouldn't be on the homepage, which it is, right? Because a guide to caring for young. Okay, so this is the name of the homepage. So let's try another one, right? Let's come down here and let's look at this one, right? And these are big items, so you're going to get a bigger commission. So let's come here. We're going to grab it. We're going to do the same thing, right? Remember, this is the home page, right? A guide to caring for your senior dog. So we're going to go to add new, right? And then we're going to just put in the thing, right? Drop it like that. Hit next. Now we're going to hide on specific is not. Now we're going to make sure, where is it at? The companion one, this one. Boom. Right. Now hit next. Now let me show you what these are. These are where you're going to place the ad. I never use these. I think you got to buy these or something like that. I don't know. I never use those. Over here, you can put it on the sidebar if you got a sidebar. After the content, in the content, right? You can pick a paragraph where you want it to go in the content, right? So let's say if you want it on a 7th paragraph, right? And before we hit OK, this is what you already did, right? So you know that you already got 2 ads on top. You don't want to throw another one right on top, right? So you hit OK, boom, your ad is there, right? Or it should say it, right? So let's go to, so it shouldn't be here, right? If I did it right, it's not there. But if we go to the blog, right, let's go somewhere down here, right? That's our first ad. This is the dummy ad right here, right? So don't worry about this. This is a dummy ad, and I'll show you what that is. So if we slide down a little bit, it's up to the 3rd paragraph. I don't know how it measures what the 3rd paragraph is, but whatever. That's what it is. The 3rd paragraph. Boom. Now, what you can do also is, let's say you got a whole bunch of different categories. You just don't have you're just not going after dogs with orthopedic dog beds, right? You're not going after content with that. You can change it again. So let's say, right, I got senior dogs, right? I'm gonna do senior dog food, right? And then I can do a blog post. I can do a roundup on top 10 best senior dog foods, right? And let's say it's Imes. Grab Imes, right? This is for senior dogs, I guess, right? Yeah, senior dogs. I got 8,000 ratings. I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna grab the image. I'm gonna copy the image and I'm gonna swing over here and I'm gonna hit a new ad. Now, I don't have a category. Well, first you got to make the category, right? And there's a lot of things you can do. So you can make a category. You can put senior dog food, right? Make a new category first. Come back to advanced ads. Go to ads, right? And this is the dummy ad thing. Remember this? Where is it at? This is the dummy ad, right? So if I delete this, you won't see it again. So you hit new and you hit dog food, right? Hit next, and this is where you can test your dummy ads too, right? You can do image ads, groups, AdSense ads. So hit next, drop that in there, hit next. Now, this is a new condition. You can only choose, you can pick certain categories, right? So you can do is, right? blog, senior dog food. Only have one category in here. That's all it's going to be right now. All right. So when you got 100 different categories and you want to promote 100 different products, this ad will only land on blogs that are in a certain category, right? So I gotta go to this website. I gotta spend some time with it and build it up, and put different categories on there, put different menus on there. So next time you see this website, next time I do a video about it, it's going to be menus all over the place. It's going to be categories all over the place. I'm gonna have videos on here all over the place. The front page is going to be different. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to be nice, and we're just going to be building this thing up. And you see, the ad thing isn't in there, right? So you can just come back, right? You can leave here, and you can delete all your ads if you want. Let's trash. Oops, how you delete them? I don't know. Oh yeah. So come down to bulk actions, move the trash, right? And now you're not going to have any ads on there, right? So you can do your own thing. You could do this with any affiliate. So if you got an affiliate, so if you were CJ and Max Bounty, you can go to Offer Vault, of course, right? Now that you got a website, now you got a website, you can go to dogs, right? Not Dogecoin, right? Categories. It should have pets on here, right? Not sure. Let me see. Everything is a pet. Man, I got no pets. I'm flabbergasted, right? Flabbergasted. You can come over here to Pets, Ali Pet Supplies. I think Chewy has an affiliate program you can sign up with. Bark Bright, whatever that means, right? You can come over here. You can select the payout. Um, these will be the easiest ones, right? $1.50 per sign up, but make sure you got a lot of traffic. Pet Solve, Lost Pet Finder, right? And you can come over here to Max Bounty. They pay $11 a sell. See, Max Bounty is kind of weird, man, because they were saying per lead, but you got to get a sell, so it's really not per lead. I don't know. Says it's a new offer: Mountain Hound bungee leashes, bark boxes, right? Um, it's a whole bunch of stuff you can get, man. Elevate Pet CBD, Reggie, whatever Reggie is, right? A lot of dogs named Reggie. So there you go, man. So you can use this, right? The name of the plugin is called Advanced Ads, and you can make your you can, and it won't slow down your website, man. I know a lot of web media groups will slow down your website, but if you got a good host, it won't slow down your web. I mean, it might slow it down a fraction of a site. The more stuff you load on your website, the harder it will be. So don't bog down your website with a whole bunch of nonsense. All right, you only need a couple ads on it. You know what I mean, just make sure your content is good. If your content is good, you aim after good keywords, right? Use these tools, man. Use this technology that we got at our disposal. Use it. Use it. Use it. It's for us to use. Use it. The more you use it, the better you'll get at it. You'll master it. You'll become better. You'll get more traffic, and you'll get paid. And then if you just keep building sites, take your time, build one site at a time, and in no time you'll have 100 websites. And let's just say you're getting $1,000. It's going to be kind of difficult for you to get $1,000 a month at first from the websites, but let's say you can, right? Affiliate sites and all this other shit. Let's say if you're getting $500 a month and you got 50 websites all running on autopilot, all you gotta do is make sure they're good, check on them. Is it possible? Shit. Now with AI and all these tools, man, yes, it is possible. All right. Anyway, man, my name is Raj, and this is the domain flip. I'm going to be having a bunch of websites for sale and everything, fully built out. I'm not going to charge you premium prices like what the domain is worth. Of course, you're going to get it at a discount. You're going to build it up. All the content is going to be preloaded. The keyword research is going to be done. Content is going to be loaded. Everything is going to be ready for you. All you got to do is grab it, let it run, update it, put your twist on it, put your magic on it, and then we're just going to continue to build. All right. Anyway, look, I see you at the top. I got to go work out. Stay focused out here. All right. Peace.